Hey friends, today is July 1st and we are kicking off Christmas in July. So this is one of those bags that I got from Dollar General after Christmas sale. And I have a 16 by 20 canvas. And I'm going to take my little fabric cutter here and cut off some excess. I'm so excited about Christmas in July, guys. It's my favorite holiday. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick sign. I did end up removing a little bit more when the camera was off. And that's a Pioneer Woman fabric cutter. You get the scissors and the fabric cutter at Walmart together. I think it's like $8. So now I'm just fraying the sides of that real quick, because I didn't want a straight cut on it. Now I'm taking some of my red chalk paint and I'm going to coat the entire canvas. Like I said, it was a 16 by 20 canvas. My sister had sent me some. Now this is a toothbrush head. These are perfect for making splatter effect. I feel like this works better than paintbrushes. So we're going to splatter the entire canvas with some white paint. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I forgot to turn my phone down. Going to make splatters all over. Now we're taking this Rust-Oleum rose gold glitter, and we're going to go over the entire canvas with that. Y'all should know by now that I love my glitter, especially this stuff. Now we're going to take some Aleene's tacky glue, and I'm going to put it right in the middle and kind of spread it out where my canvas, that bag's going to sit, piece of that bag. I guess I should just say like burlap bag. That stuff is really hard to spread out, y'all. Now we got that on there. I rolled it real nice so it's flat. Now I'm going to add some Mod Podge. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to let my cat in because he is screaming. Now what I'm doing is taking a fine, fine point paintbrush. And we're going to do the outlining of that sign he's holding and the candy canes. It's going to make it pop more. Sorry, y'all. My cat is distracting me. And there we go. We did the candy canes. We did the little sign he's holding. Now I'm taking my red chalk paint and I'm going to make candy cane stripes on the sign to give it a little bit more character. Now we're going to take some puffy paint and I'm going to go over the white in the candy canes and the white in the sign. I also did take red chalk paint and carefully with a fine, what do you call it? I don't know, fine point paintbrush, and I went over my lettering too, so it stood out more. Now this came from, I believe, Walmart after Christmas sale. And we're just going to go around that burlap piece. I do go around it twice. I didn't show it because you can see here what I'm doing. I'm just using hot glue to glue it down. And I'm putting the hot glue under the berry pieces. I don't know what those are. It's going under that piece, so you can't really see it. And there we go. See how I went around it twice? And I kind of did like wavy lines. Now these are tiny little bows. I think it was like 60 of them. I'll put the link in the description box for that. And for the little candy canes we're about to use. So I just popped that little bow right there on that candy cane. Now these are cute little candy canes. They're made of clay. And you get a whole bunch of them on Amazon. I will link that in the description box too. Excuse me, y'all. I'm struggling with breathing today. So I'm just showing you like how I'm going to put the candy canes on. But I do end up, using my little bit of hot glue and getting those on there so they don't fall off. Are y'all going to be doing some crafting for Christmas? Now, these are red round peppermints that you can also get on Amazon. I'll have all this linked below. I hope you guys enjoy this super quick Santa sign to kick off Christmas in July. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you plan on making anything in comments or just say hi. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for being here. Bye, y'all.